Today, we will know about a beehive. A beehive is an extraordinary structure that serves as both a home and a bustling center of activity for a colony of bees, where each bee plays a vital role in maintaining the health and productivity of the community. It is an intricate society of bees. At the heart of the hive is the queen bee, the sole fertile female whose primary function is to lay eggs, sometimes numbering up to 2000 in a single day. Her presence and cohesion and order of the hive is really important. Worker bees, sterile females, form the majority of the population and are responsible for a myriad of tasks that include foraging for nectar and pollen, tending to the queen and larva, producing honey, and maintaining the hive's cleanliness and structure. These diligent workers even regulate the temperature within the hive by beating their wings to circulate air. Drones, the male bees, have a singular yet critical role to mate with a virgin queen from another hive, ensuring genetic diversity. Once the mating season concludes, drones are typically expelled from the hive as they no longer serve a purpose. The intricate coordination among these different types of bees, guided by instinct and communication through pheromones and the famous waggle dance, exemplifies a highly efficient and interdependent society, all centered around the hive's continuous survival and prosperity.